Hi everyone, this is Cale Chappell, basket maker and founder of basketsofafrica.com. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to give you a quick introduction on special topics in twining. I'm going to make short videos on different topics and post them individually so that you can quickly jump right to what you need when you need it. So as you're working on a project, you'll have quick access to refreshers or learning new things. The main thing is spend a lot of time weaving, spend a lot of time experimenting, trying different things, and don't have too many expectations when you start. Just experiment, try it, and see what happens. I spent about 2 years doing that, just with seeing how many different patterns I could think up to weave with reverse twining. And now I can make a lot of patterns because I spent 2 years doing that. So that's the type of thing you can just take your time learning and having fun along the way. We'll talk about wax linen. What is it? Why do I love it? And what colors and sizes does it come in? That sort of thing. Different types of bases. There's infinite ways of making baskets and different things you can do and techniques you can use. So I just want to get you started with some of these other topics beyond the How to Twine series. There are a lot of other things, different kinds of rims, 3-rod wale, 4-rod wale, the reverse twining I mentioned, different types of rims and patterns. I'll show you step by step how to make different patterns on baskets and on bases. And then you'll have a lot of different tools you can recombine and make your own style and use those as you're working on different projects. I'll also try some different materials, and we'll make short videos so you can jump right to what you want to learn when you want to learn it. All right, thank you very much. Please subscribe to the channel here so you get notices when the new videos come out, and keep twining and having fun.